Just identify the spot in the corner of this side and just push it in the soil. Just before we go ahead and sowing, just ensure this triangular part that is here is actually a light sensor, and when if you sow it in any other direction, basically as the plants start growing, it will block the sensor. So ensure the sensor is facing at the edge outside of or towards the extreme left of the pot. And in our case, we are going to sow 5 lines, make some 5 lines here to sow the methi. The reason is microgreens doesn't actually need much time and space to grow. So I'll probably take this center of this particular indicator and draw my first line. So make sure, don't worry about the depth at this point, just to see if you are able to get those get those lines. Now the simple formula for this, which probably we should all remember, is that if the seed is of this size, if I assume this is the seed size, now you can't put soil more than the same size of the seed. Or max, what you can do is you can ensure double the amount of soil on top of it, or the same amount of the height of the seed on top of this. So now the lines are ready. We made 5 lines here to sow our methi, the very first methi. So just ensure you just take a few methi seeds and just drop them along the first line. So don't worry about even if they are very close or on top of each other, because they can grow dense. All that I'm going to show is how to cover it in a simple and the easy way. And between these lines where we have sown the seeds, and you also see another line that is running, all that you have to do is keep your finger there very gently, just give a gentle press and then just run through that line in between those places wherever you have sown, and then come to the second line, between second and the third line, and then third and the fourth line, and fourth and the fifth line. Simple. And just to put the topsoil, just gently adjust it on the top, well, and give it gentle tap, so that if there is any air left inside those lines where we have sown the seeds, gets out. So if you still see some places where if seeds are slightly visible, it is still fine, don't worry about it. Losing 1 or 2 seeds is still okay.